Barbers, you're posting wrong, and let me explain why. When you're posting, you're looking at the metrics of how many likes did you get, how many views did you get, how many shares, how many comments, and so on. And that is good for social media. But barbers, what are you selling? That should be the key and the core of your posting strategy, your business. Because many people have successful social media businesses that don't bring them in money, but then their actual business of cutting hair is failing. I've seen and heard of barbers which are very popular online, but they always have spaces where you can book them, which has never made sense to me because I'm like, they've got much bigger followings than me, so they should, by their numbers, be more booked up than me. So let's take a look at this piece of content that I released recently. It's got about 16K likes. It's over 300,000 views. Decent saves, decent shares, what, 200 or something comments. That's a good video. But that video did not convert anybody into clients. Now this is a carousel post of me just displaying my haircuts. It got about 18,000 views, about 300 likes, and 22 comments. So based off some of my higher ranking content, this didn't perform so well. So in a sense, in social media terms, this failed. Or did it? Now let's look at another piece of content I put out recently. Now this video got me about 800 followers. It did over 300,000 views. What is it, 6K likes? Like, it did really well in social media. Now, I'm showing you different pieces of content that I've done to show you that some pieces of content may feel like, well, that's a failed piece of content. But I want you to understand, not particularly. Some pieces of content do well on social media and get me good following. And the views, the likes, the comments, the engagement, everything like that is amazing. The follows, amazing. But they don't convert anybody into my chair, which is the core of my business. I have a barbershop here. So ultimately, I want to fill up the chairs, not just my chair, but the other chairs as well. So that low ranking content that I put out there, you may not believe this or understand this, but that converts the most people into clients. But if I was looking at it from the perspective of social media solely, I wouldn't put that content anymore. Because I'd say, well, it doesn't do well. But everybody that comes here for a haircut, anybody that becomes a client of mine has looked through my haircuts. I'll tell you something that happened the other day. I'm cutting this client, and to be honest, he's a celebrity, but it doesn't really matter that he's a celebrity, to be honest. But he's a celebrity, he doesn't follow me, but he's messaged me for a haircut, and I've cut his hair. When I'm cutting his hair, he's telling me about the haircuts he saw of mine. So he's going through my page, right, and he's looking through the haircuts. But he hasn't commented on any of them, hasn't liked it, hasn't shared it, hasn't engaged in it, hasn't followed me. But he's giving me a view. So right now, my metrics are quite low on that piece of content, but he's converted into a client from watching those haircuts. So the purpose behind me putting out videos of my haircuts is to get clients. When I put on my sketches, my reaction videos, they do better on social media. So there's a purpose around all the different pieces of content that I'm putting out there. But I always make sure that the thing that I sell at its core, which is haircuts, I put it out there. So when I do a sketch that does well, people will come to my page, they will follow me, they'll start looking through my videos and my pictures and so on. So it's important that weekly I'm putting out haircuts so that they can see my haircuts and not only become a follower, but become a client. So put out the sketches, which I'm going to keep doing, put out the reaction videos, the talks, all these different things that do better on social media. But the haircuts I put out there do better in real life. So work out why you're posting. So when you get the results, you're not surprised. From haircuts, I would love for people to be reposting it everywhere and hundreds of thousands of likes and views and comments and so on. But they're not. But what I need from it, it provides, which is clients. Advice with SliderCuts.